we're taking another walking tour. This one's gonna go to the Central Government Palace.
Yeah.
So they're taking the public transit as well.
Yes.
That's gonna be fun. At least there's gonna be with people, not just us. So I think that'll
Well, and also with the tour guide, they collected the fare, so we don't have to deal with it, so to speak.
We're gonna get down on the bus. Estación Central. In Estación Central, that's where we're gonna start our walking tour. We're gonna walk all over that area.
So we're getting cramped like sardines. Well, they have this barrier and everything. I don't think it's downtown if there's no ambulance siren sounds. Because it is Spanish built.
Guys, I need to tell you something very important about my country. So what about most of the breakfast, you know, most of people, they actually here eating a lot of quinoa. They drink quinoa, they eat quinoa. And also the kind of the hamburgers that we got. It is not KFC. So here actually guys, is that with potato. Because in Peru guys, ladies, there are more than 3,200,000 kind of potatoes in Peru guys. And also remember, most of the people that you see in the streets working, they are from the highlands of Peru. They are from Ayacucho, Huancayo, Cusco, Huancavelica, Huaraz, provinces from the north and the south, Ica, Paracas, people from different cities, they came over to the city. 11 million people in all over Lima, 32 million people in all over Peru, you guys. And also, the minimum wage in my country is $279 a month. Mostly, of course, in my country, you start to working. Most of the people when they are children in my country, of course, guys. And this is the kind of entrepreneur jobs that we got here in Peru. All over that construction that you're gonna find over there, guys, it's called Roosevelt Palace Construction. Roosevelt Palace Construction, it's in honor of the ex-president of the United States of America. And also guys, all that building, of course, remember, nowadays is part of our heritage place. It's part of UNESCO that we have here, guys. Also guys, Sheraton Hotel, back to the time, 16th century, was the first jail in town. The first jail in town, you guys. Also guys, I want to show you something very important, all of you. We're going to see from that way first because I need to show you the courthouse. The courthouse with the marble style that we got here. Follow me please guys. Come with me. Some countries is good, for my country is not good.
Just like a lot of places in downtown,
Chinatown
right?
is very close.
Yeah.
Really noisy, a lot of traffic.
I think this is extra noisy with their culture of honking at everything.
Yeah, so apparently there is a demonstration complaining against the president.
Oh, well, I think it's been going on for some time, not just right now.
Well, happens in most countries, right?
Yeah, you know, growing pains and all of that.
Most of the demonstrations are people from the highlands.
Yeah, from not from like Lima city. It's from like the smaller cities, and basically, I would guess more poor areas, maybe the agricultural business and that kind of thing.
The area we're walking through right now, it's pretty nice.
Yeah, it looks like a shopping street, basically shopping.
It's really made for walking, so no car going through here at all. And they got nice buildings. Well, nice.
They need a bit of
Upkeep, yeah. But it's
it's definitely way warmer in like central Lima versus in Miraflores. I think that the fact that Miraflores is like at the coast, it's cooler with the breeze from the sea versus here, which is what, like 20 minutes bus ride from when we were. It feels a little bit more sunburny.
For me, it's the sun. I think I'm not sure because of the buildings. So we were between a lot of tall buildings, so we were kind of shaded. That could also be a factor.
Despite the fact that there is quite a lot of tall buildings, there is more space between them. So I guess it's a frying pan effect.
And somebody forgot her cap.
Yes, but at least I had sunscreen on my face.
You're gonna try the Churros Españoles, Spanish churros that we got here, guys. And also in Miraflores, it's like a $5, American dollars, of course. But here, basically in downtown, everything is in soles. How much is here? 3 soles. 3 soles is basically $1, of course. Or I think less than that, $1.
Original churro. More like.
What's it here? Nowadays, of course, it's Starbucks. Burger King, fast food. Oh my god. Of course, guys.
Totally got dope. You got to the.
Very gooey, sugary. I got a little bit of the dulce de leche. We got the,
you got the
dulce de leche variety. Sorry, full of dough. Tastes good.
Once you get to the filling, it's really nice because I only got the tip, which is pure dough. That's just dough.
Okay, guys? So the thing is, we're gonna go inside and you're gonna have a very different experience about how it's Peru, guys. Come with me. And also, guys, lady that you saw in the beginning, she's the owner of one house. And before we became friends, they asked me always permission to came here for tourists. And also, guys, about the poverty of my country, guys. So basically, most of the people they live like this, guys. Back to the time in the 16th century, believe it or not, guys, this is one of the most powerful houses in the 16th century, of course, by Spanish people, of course. All over this area, guys, just belong for one family, Conde de Superunda family. Conde de Superunda, he was a person who helped Pizarro to conquer the places in Peru. And also, guys, everything in Peru is called Peru. Peru was a cacique. What is cacique? A person who managed all over the country at the time. Apparently, guys, ladies, this is a middle class neighborhood. So on the other hand, ladies, guys, so most of the people in the country, of course, including me, you know, guys, and we work in six. So, in another side of life, this is the second side of life, things. The kind of houses that we have, of course, I'm the one to point it out. Nice. You don't know where this area is, guys. So careful.
We're in this restaurant, we just ordered ceviche.
Hey, maybe this
It's gonna be the first time we're gonna be trying.
It's again, but it's really different too. So I don't know where we have better but
It looks different.
cilantro. I like it, but it's just really technically
Very different. Wow. Yeah, right.
a lot of acidity flavor in ceviche, so yeah, you try it.
a little bit of kick.
It's very refreshing.
We got off this morning here. We need to get to Cathedrals. So we can get the sea and get up to Cathedrals.
Okay, so this should be accepted. Okay, so
Card, but we don't have a card.
yeah,
One
so
of
we put
us.
the money in here.
Yeah, I guess we get the ticket here.
Okay, we'll put the money in here. Let these people in first.
Yeah, go ahead.
Don't know how to use the system.
I don't know who have the card.
They need the card. They need the card.
Go ahead, so we have to go to the central station then.
We met someone, he put it on his car.
Yeah, we did it the same.
So we're all trying to figure out how this works. Apparently you need a card. So
It's
someone,
like the freaking Metro Pass in Toronto. Or
yeah,
the
so someone from
Presto
our
Pass.
hostel actually have the card. So we just give them 10 soles to charge the card and then be able to use it for us. So
Let us in.
let us in with it. Okay, we got the expert here. Okay, let's do this. Gotcha. And she can get in. Ah, she got it. Woohoo! Thank you so much. So we're all just waiting in the platform here. Hopefully we got the right one. We got in the local bus.
Yes.
It was in service. Hopefully we got the right one to see. It's really full.
Yeah.
At this time
It's almost 4 o'clock.
It's almost 4 o'clock, so everybody's heading back from work. So
Or to another shift or something.
So yeah, it's quite full. I don't know if you can tell, but basically it's a public bus. So.
Yeah, it's a public transportation, so, you know, usual crowd.
Yay, we're one of the local.
Sure.
It's not like we're sticking out like looks like
Like
a
sore
tourist.
thumbs.
Yeah. So hopefully we get to the right stop and back to the hostel. So we're with Ricardo Palma. We're with 2 other couples from
our
this
hostel.
from the same hostel. So hopefully we make it back.
And we're in a good crowd.
Yeah. Apparently someone was trying to get the Uber, even though it was only 17 where we were. Once they get to the pickup location, it just keep on going up and up and up. Most likely it's on the busy time area, so it's just gonna go more and more expensive. And here for the bus, they have the dedicated bus lane in the middle.
In the
So,
middle of the road,
in the middle of the road. So,
Kind of feels like a subway, but it's a bus.
or I guess in Toronto you can look at the streetcar.
Yeah.
When like what in Dundas? No, not in Dundas. Spadina. And in Spadina you can see that they have the trucks in the middle. Very, very efficient, I guess. Yeah. Where do we go?
Or do we have to go that way? With everybody else.
Salida? No, salida, that way.